I've built an SPX forecast tool over at alphacrunching.com that's geared towards zero DTE traders like myself trying to take advantage of all the expirations that they have to offer. And I wanted to give an example of how it worked out today, which is Friday, January 13th, 2023. So before the trading day begins, the forecast for Friday, we were looking at a potential low in the early morning and then a rally up mid-morning, and really kind of a choppy day most of the day, and then looking for a rally into the close. Now this rally was projected to start after 2 p.m., let's call it 2:30 or so. And if we look at the actual chart of the day, this is a 5-minute chart of SPX for the same day. We got that early morning kind of dip. Now I didn't jump in right away because we had bank earnings and wanted to let the dust settle, and I'll tell you how I traded it here. But we did get a similar move where the low of the day was put in the first 20-30 minutes of the day. We did rally up, we chopped around, and the market actually broke out earlier than the forecast, and that's okay. The forecast is a forecast. It's not going to be accurate tick by tick, but we did break out and we did get the surge late in the day as well. So the way that I play this is I like to sell credit spreads. They're defined risks. So if something happens or a news event comes out, I don't blow up. I have defined risk. And sometimes we don't always get the move. So it's nice to be selling premium, basically using this as a bias. So I sold in this area, it was like 10 or 10:30. I sold some put credit spreads for $1.80. I think I sold the 39.75, which was out of the money. I took a little bit of heat, but ultimately it resolved to the upside and I was able to book profits in those. I sold the spreads for $1.80 and was able to buy them back for 50 cents towards the end of the day. Obviously, I could have let them expire worthless, but I was not being greedy. I took the money and ran. Now, let me know if the forecast tool from alphacrunching.com is something you'd find useful in your trading. Are there any other zero DTE SPX traders out there? I'd appreciate the feedback and for the retweet. You guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you at the next one.